Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Magic6 Lite, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings, and from here scroll all the way down to About phone, I guess? Nope. Oh, there we go. System and update. And here we should have, there we go, a reset phone. And this will then show us a list of data that will be removed by this process. So the most important things listed here will be things like music, photos, and files, user data. And now if you have anything that you would like to keep from this list, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, assuming you have already made a copy or you simply don't want to, select Reset Phone. If you have some kind of screen lock, you'll need to confirm it. We do have the option to back it up right here, though keep in mind that doing this backup from here will back up all the data to the Honor cloud, or basically Huawei. If you don't want to share your data with China, it might not be a best idea. And obviously if you're backing it up and resetting this device because you got a new one, if said new device isn't another Honor, you won't be able to restore this data. So be very mindful of that. Now, I'm going to now select Reset Phone, and this will now begin factory resetting the device. Now this process will take a couple of minutes to finish up, about a minute to two, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.